Wake up, San Francisco! Or is it good morning, San Francisco? Good morning, New York? No, what is it?
You know what San Diego stands for?
San Diego.
It's a whale's boop, beep.
Wow, really?
Beep.
Is it good morning or San Francisco? Is it good morning San? What is it like?
Good morning, America.
Good morning, America. No, there's that. But
Increment.
Oh, I was
60% of the time it works every time.
I thought it was 80% of the time. Is it 60?
Yeah.
Oh, 8 and 6, they kind of look the same. Oh, I'm supposed to be talking an Australian accent today.
Good day, mate.
Good day, mate.
I reckon there's a storm coming.
What are you, like a villager from the 1800s?
They definitely say reckon in Australia.
Yeah, but they don't. I reckon there's a storm coming.
I'm going to Google it. I'm going to Google it while you carry on with your trading today.
Well, mate, trading was another day of dog crap. Or is that like, I don't even know if I'm doing an accent right. Let's, Matt and I are brain dead if you can't figure that out. Like our brains are just fried right now.
I think I'm going to go make some mushy at a Barbie, eh?
What are you, Canadian now?
That was Canadian-Australian. I'm making mushroom at a barbecue.
Oh, I think, you know what? I think I can do a Canadian accent today. Here, that's how I'll do it.
We got a real Prezi for you on this Chrissy day. What's the Prezi?
I don't know, bud, but do you want to go grab some Timmy's after playing some stick and puck with the boys?
I'd prefer to have a bicky and watch some foodie later while I'm putting on lippy.
That sounds a little weird there, bud. Let's chill it out with all the weird talk there.
Well, I think I said, while I'm eating a biscuit, I'm going to watch TV and put on lipstick.
Hey, well, that conversation is a great representation of the market. We have nothing to talk about. Everything sucks. Not really. Well,
yeah, I'll go over it. Pull up ILUS, all right?
Yeah, let's start off with ILUS here.
Small cap rockets. Told them, this is my one watch today. Only watch. The only thing I care about, ILUS. And it pulled out of the gate, and I was like, well, that sucks. My only watch today isn't a play. And
yeah,
then
it was this breakout area. So this is the daily chart.
Yeah, so it was in the breakout. So it was really strong. If you go to intraday, just one day, it had a nasty pull out the gate. Like
I was overnight with like half my shares.
On like not that much volume.
No, I know.
It really was not that much volume. It just got crushed. But then it had this really strong grind back to basically the breakout level, consolidated all midday, and then at 1 o'clock, I was like, this looks pretty nice. Didn't buy there though. I missed it.
I did too.
Ended up buying at the 2 o'clock breakover highs, right around 41. And then it broke high day and the breakout by 0.002. And I texted Bryce, and I was like, I'm going to yeet off this bridge if this breakout fails after breaking out by 0.002.
He used some more explicit terms in the text message. Thanks for toning it down there.
And then it didn't fail there. It went back, broke new highs by about another 0.002.
And take note of the volume that it broke out again on. No one was buying that. There were not buyers. It was just selling.
And then slammed. I probably should have sold. Bryce sold here, I think.
I sold. So my average was like 413, and I got out at 415.
Yeah.
So I got a small win on it, but
I ended up selling closer to the 41 mark on the next pull down. And at that point, like that's not how breakouts work. That's not how they're supposed to work. They a bit frustrated. The play didn't work. It was a great setup. That's trading for you though. And I cut the loss. Really didn't lose that much. $1,200 approximately. Only trade I took today, but just frustrating. That breakouts are just not a thing.
You know what's funny too, because this plays in my head every time that something like this happens. We were trading with Tim a while back, and there was that one stock that had the fake breakout, but the chart still looked good. But he's like, OTC breakouts should not just fail like that.
No,
like when they fail, that's a bad sign. Don't respect the risk. You know what I mean? And it plays in my head every single time. And so when that happens, no volume on really, I mean, the first breakout had some volume to it, but this one here, no volume, no sign of continuation, no bidders. I was like, I'm out. I'm done with it. So yeah, that was, I took like a $900 loss on this out of the gates because I swung some of my shares because I didn't get filled all the way at the close yesterday. And I was actually finding that the chart looked good enough for me to try the swing. So I lost like $900 there. was actually not going to trade at all today. I was just going to close that out, but we had this naked gap.
Naked and afraid.
Naked and afraid. Once we had this fake break under low a day, instant recovery, I started in I started in on this candle, added here, sold into the 74s. So that put me green on the day. And again, no plan to trade until we had this VWAP consolidation. And I was like, oh, that is just so nice. I mean, I liked that a lot.
That's a good posse.
What does that mean?
Taking a good position.
Oh, thanks, bud.
That's a good posse. You know, the poly probably wouldn't come after that posse.
I'm not even going to try to say anything. I don't know.
The police wouldn't come after that position. Carry on. Don't be on any mushies later.
Oh, no, bud. Don't you worry. I'm sober as a gopher.
No,
yeah. So
for you with some Billy.
I sized into this posse real good, I think. I had a pretty good average. It was pretty strong there. And then we had the instant rejection. No, but, oh, wow. That sounded weird. No, so I started sizing in right. Oh, I don't even remember the exact candle. I think I started in right here. I started in on this curl, added on this dip, and then actually bought more right here. Got that pop, got this pop, which I was like, okay, perfect. I can move my risk level. And 69 cents was a pretty key trend here in my opinion. And this is the reason I liked this chart so much is we just had such a strong uptrend. The bidders really stepped up here. It's running after hours. Great. Fantastic. And we had this nice break. It held here, reclaimed. I was super stoked with this position. I had 200,000 shares.
Tubular.
Totally tubular, dude.
It's a bit Xy up there.
And no, so we had this spike, got rejected. I cut under this level as that was a pretty clear confirmation of a failure. Sucks. It is what it is. Lost. But then I made my money back on IRNT.
That's a furphy.
Shut up.
It's a furphy, a strongly believed untrue story. This trade's a furphy.
What does that even mean?
It means
no, I get that. What is a strongly unbelieved first story with the first Green Day pattern?
It's a rumor.
The first Green Day is a rumor?
That posse's a furphy.
Well,
it's a rumored position. It's a direct translation.
That doesn't even make sense. Like, I can't even
Carry on with your posse, furphy.
We just had a nice first Green Day look here. Basically down from 34 down to 23. Oh my God, this is what I have to deal with, folks.
Some big.
This is what I have to deal with.
Some big bickies.
What does that mean?
That means it's too expensive. Some big bickies on that stock price, eh?
Yeah, hey.
The poly would come after me.
I can't even explain this anymore. Held VWAP.
I'll mute my mic.
We had this triple top right here. Held above VWAP. Nice support hold there. Took 5,000 shares right at $25. Sold most into the 25.50s push for, what does that math add up to? $2,500. Then I had one more trade on. It was just a scalp more or less on AMHC.
That math's a bit furphy.
The math's a bit furphy there. This one was cool. This is a really interesting daily chart.
Another X stock there.
It reminded me a lot of SPIR, where it had that afternoon run after consolidating on low volume. So I looked at it today.
Is this back or
did
something?
The same thing. I don't know what it is, but I basically just took it right here. We got some pretty key bid props. I only took 2,500 shares, sold into that pop. So I ended the day down total $700. It is what it is. You know, I keep saying it is what it is, but literally, it is what it is.
That's a big bicky.
Shut up!
Stop coming at me.
I thought you were gonna mute your mic.
I'm gonna call the poly on you.
Is this how we're gonna? I think this is how we should do it from now on. We just hold our mics like this.
Drop down from the ceiling.
Andrew's laughing at us. He's like, "These guys do not know anything."
Bring some lollies in here.
What's up?
It's hanging from the ceiling.
Oh, okay. This would be kind of cool if we had them hanging like that.
That's what I'm saying.
This would be kind of cool.
Some real Joe Rogan stuff.
Yeah.
Swing it around.
Road Jogan. How many millions are in a billion?
You said it wrong.
How many billions are in how many million?
How many zeros are in a million?
How many zeros are in a million?
At least a billion.
Okay.
Thank you for watching this entire episode. If you made it this far, I would strongly encourage you.
If you made it this far, you are a special type of person.
I would strongly encourage you to like and subscribe because, man, we got some better content.
Hey, you know what? If you made it this far, the fact of the matter is that you can now watch any small cap recap episode because I don't know if any of them have been this unique. Matt, you can just tell Matt looks like, or it sounds like he hasn't gotten any sleep in like 4 weeks. That's how your conversation sounded.
I just need to eat some brekkie and put on my sunnies and enjoy a lolly.
Let me guess. You need to eat some breakfast.
Yup.
You need to put on your sunglasses
Yeah.
and enjoy a lollipop.
Wow, you speak Australian, mate.
Oh, yeah. There was the funniest TikTok. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it. Let me know in the comments down below. Where the dude, no. I think I sent it to you. This Australian's like on a paddleboard and like in the middle of the ocean and the sea snake comes up, slithers onto the paddleboard. And he goes, oh, this is a venomous one, but that's so cool. He's just like talking to the snake that's on his paddleboard. Australians are a wild breed of people. If you are Australian, I respect you because you guys like battle crocodiles and alligators and, like stingrays and stuff. So
That's how they all do?
that's what Steve Irwin did.
He died.
Yeah, he's a brave person. I'm not, no one,
I heard he's like a national hero over there.
as he should be. He's a national hero to me. The dude battles stingrays. That was like his job.
He didn't battle him. He like swam with him.
That's the same thing. That's battling enough to me. I wouldn't swim with a stingray or a crocodile.
Close this out to you.
All right, guys. This was a unique episode. That's for sure. No, guys, just, keep sticking to your plans. Right now we know that momentum is definitely different, a little bit choppier. And Matt and I both talked yesterday and we're just like, we both really need to work on actually just taking smaller size for a little while until the market comes back, work with our setups, work with our strategies, and then hit it hard when the market is back. Preservation mode right now.
Yes.
If you feel the same way, do the same thing. It's not hard. Preserve your money, wait for your setups to come around. And that's kind of the key to trading small caps. So,
Well said.
anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Andrew, how many subscribers are we trying to get to by the end of the year?
Yeah, guys, we're trying to get 100,000 subscribers.
So please hit that subscribe button, and we will see you back here again on Monday, where Matt will not be nearly as goofy.
I'll bring my brekkie.
It's like 4:00.
Brekkie for dinner. I don't know.
Brekkie for dinny?
For supper.
For supper.
Brekkie for supper.
All right, guys.
Muy elegante.
Muchos gracias. We'll see you guys again here on
Buenos
Monday.
Aires.
I keep trying to close them out. Close us out, Andrew. Just get the music started. Get the music started. We hope you guys enjoyed that last video. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of the StocksTrade community. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we can't do it without your help. So if you enjoy what we're putting out and want to hear more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.